Hi, I'm Henry Gordon-Smith, founder and CEO of Agtech, and I travel all around the world looking for the latest innovations in controlled environment agriculture. And today, I'm here at the Sollum Technologies HQ to speak to François about their dynamic lighting. François, how are you doing?
Pretty good. Welcome to Sollum Technology.
Thank you so much. Your team has been so hospitable. It's been great to see your office, your lab, all the tech. It's been really, really fun. Can you just introduce yourself briefly and tell us what you do here?
Yes, so I'm François Roy-Moisan, CTO and co-founder of Sollum Technology. I oversee the vision and the product development.
Now, Sollum Technologies has grown over the last 10 years to be multi-country, international technology company, a lot of different operational types, big team, big office here now, but you were there from the beginning. So I want to hear the origin story. How did it all start?
So it all started across the street from here, funny enough. So I was working on solar panel for between my master and undergrads, and I needed to have the sun. So sadly in the university we didn't have the budget, so we started fiddling around and we invented the sun dynamically.
So you created a LED fixture for research related to solar PV?
Yes, exactly. But we had a chance to test it in agriculture, and we saw big results. So we said, okay, we need to run for this, and that's how Sollum started.
And just really briefly, you mentioned dynamic lighting, which sort of sounds like you stumbled upon, right? You wanted a light that you could probably control for testing the solar panel, and that's what made it dynamic, I assume.
Exactly.
And then you started testing on lights, and so just very basically, what is a dynamic light?
So a dynamic light is the fact that you can change the intensity and the spectrum as much as you want.
And so what's happened since then? Like you sort of had the technology you stumbled upon,
Yeah.
and then you decided to what, make it a business, patent it?
Yes, so Sollum is all about bringing it to the growers. At Sollum, we have a strong IP portfolio, as you can see in the back.
Yeah.
And but that's what we wanted. We wanted to bring that technology to the grower and help them grow differently. Because as we know, fixed LED is like all forcing the plant to adapt to a certain spectrum, and we've seen the change between HPS to LED, which is a more yellow light, switching to a purple light. And you need different cultivar, and now genetics in agriculture is going really fast. So that was the goal. So why not changing that paradigm the way around, where you have your lamp that will adapt to your plant needs? And that's all about Sollum. So when you're talking to Sollum, or when Sollum is helping you, is taking you in your digitalization journey and bring you one or two steps forward. Not forcing you to leapfrog, but we're taking where you are and helping you growth in that.
Yeah, I really like how you put that you're sort of helping guide growers through their digital journey. And I also think it's really exciting just and flipping out how we think about LEDs overall. It sounds so much more logical that you would want one that's controlled and is dynamic versus one that's static. I mean, the plants are what you need to respond to, sort of not the other way. So I think that's really interesting. Can you talk more about some examples? Like you're talking about farmers embracing new technologies, from fixtures to your software product. Can you give some examples you're really proud of where customers have used Sollum Technologies?
Yes, I have a lot of examples in head, but one that really strike out is one of the first client that we had is a grower that has more than 300 different crops, and he was struggling to grow them evenly and exactly when they were, and always changing. So Dynamic really helped him on this, and year after year he has enhanced growth and enhanced yield and better quality on his product. So I really take pride on this.
Yeah, I think it makes a lot of sense, right? If you have a lot of variety, then you need sort of what you're calling them recipes, right? Different plant recipes you can control through your software system. So that makes a lot of sense. Can you tell us a little bit about how you engage with customers? Like you're talking about giving them and engaging with them in this digital journey, but what does that really look like? Like how does that journey begin, and how does it continue through the life cycle?
Okay, so we have a saying at Sollum that the partnership starts when you receive the lamp, and we're not running away. So we have our agronomists on customer success, where they help you before the sales and everything. But when you have the system installed in place, we have our team of agronomists, we have our support team is there, and we have At Sollum, we monitor 24/7 your system to make sure that everything is working well. So we have alarms if something doesn't go as expected, so we can be proactive and not reactive. So that's kind of all the journey and all the pinpoint where we can help.
There every step of the way. And maybe bonus question, like what's your vision for this company 10 years from now? Where do you see Sollum?
10 years ago, we were kind of the first talking about dynamic lighting. Now the trend is starting to pick up, but we're riding in front of the wave. So my vision in 10 years is everything will be dynamic.
All grow lights are dynamic.
Yeah.
I like that. That's very interesting. Thank you so much for your time, François. If you want to learn more about Sollum Technologies and their range of solutions, including their software product, their dynamic LEDs, and their customer service available around the world, check out Sollum Technologies online. Thanks for watching.